Today's recipe is air fried potatoes with garlic and parmesan. Let's get into it. Now for this recipe we want to choose a floury potato variety. Starchy varieties, they don't really do that well. I'm gonna leave a few here on the screen just to get some sort of understanding what you're looking for. Now in terms of size, we're gonna go from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. The important thing is to try to keep them consistent because they're gonna cook at the same time. And to these potatoes we're going in with 2 cloves of grated garlic. And yes, if you're feeling lazy, you can go with garlic powder. Now we are following with about 50 grams of grated parmesan cheese. Vegetable oil, about 2-3 tablespoons. 1/2 teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. And you could stop here, but I want to take this a step further, which I recommend you to do this too. So I've got here a few sprigs of thyme. We're going in only with the leaves. Dry oregano, I want in about 1 teaspoon. As always, some smoked paprika. I'm only going in with about 1/4 teaspoon, not even that, just a tip of a teaspoon. Now mix everything in, making sure that the potatoes get well coated into this parmesan and seasoning mixture. Now we're gonna preheat our air fryer at 190 degrees Celsius or about 375 Fahrenheit. Now with the air fryer preheated, we're gonna go in with the potatoes. But the really important step here is make sure that you go in one even layer. You don't want to kind of overcrowd the potatoes. This is a really important step, especially if you want to get your potatoes crispy and evenly cooked. Now we're going to cook the potatoes for about 25 to 30 minutes, but it all comes to how big you cut them in the first place. Halfway through the cooking process, make sure that you mix your potatoes or give the basket a good shake, because this way you'll get the chance for the potatoes to cook evenly. When they are ready, they should be crispy on the outside and the fork should be able to go all the way through without putting much resistance. Now you want to get them out, sprinkle a bit more grated parmesan on top and maybe some fresh parsley if you wish. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.